Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share how will be the person life as per your day you are born. So the day you are born, your date of birth, year, everything matters a lot. And on the basis of that, a lot of things can be predicted. How you are as a person, about your life trend, about your love life, about your health. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss in brief about people born on each day. What are their personality trends? How is their love life, health wise, career wise? Not only this, the remedies they should do in their life to enhance your luck. So if you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So let's first talk about the people born on Monday. So Monday, if you are born on Monday, then you have a direct connection with the moon planet. You have a high influence of the moon planet in your life. So these people are very sensitive, moody at time. As the phases of the moon keep on changing, the same way they face lot of imbalances in their emotions. Sometimes they are very happy, sometimes they are very satisfied, sometimes they are very sad in their life. So ups and downs being seen in their mood. It is seen that they are very caring, very soft hearted, and they are very good looking and charming also. And they always care about their friends, about their partner, and they are very much connected to their mother also. It is seen if the person is born on Monday, then after marriage their luck will be going to increase. But in relationship wise, they face lot of ups and downs because they are very much emotionally connected to everyone around them, and they expect the same type of emotions from their loved one. But when they don't get such type of emotions from the loved one, their relationship, it is seen that they get emotionally connected to their partner, but balancing that relationship is a problem because they care a lot about their partner, but it is seen that that respect and care they don't get from their partner, due to which it is seen that they are sometimes emotionally hurt in the relationship. Otherwise, people born on the Monday are very lucky to their partner, and after marriage their luck got enhanced, their partner luck got enhanced after marriage. Health wise, they face problem like mental health, cold, cough, and emotional imbalance being seen, so they have to take care of your mental health a lot. Career wise, it is seen that they get more success in business as compared to the job, so it is suggested to them that they should do business to get more success. To overcome the challenges of their life and to enhance their luck, they should pray to Lord Shiva more. As much as you pray to Lord Shiva, you are going to see a lot of improvement in your life. Color that you should wear to enhance your luck is you should wear the white color clothes, light color clothes, and if possible, then try to do fasting on full moon. It will help you out to enhance your luck, and you will be able to overcome the challenges of your life. People born on Tuesday, it is seen that they have a high influence of Mars in their life. Being they have a high influence of Mars in their life, it is seen that they face health related problem in their childhood, and they need to be conscious with the health related issues like minor accidents, any type of infections, and blood related issues. So they have to take care for their health especially. It is seen that these people face a lot of problem in the relationship because of their own aggressive nature, and they have a nature of controlling their partner. Being in the partnership, when you are married or you are in a relationship, you need to be equally understand your partner, then only that relationship can work with the peace and the harmony. So for the Tuesday born people, it is seeing sometimes they dominate their partner, or they are unable to express their feelings to their partner, due to which they face problem in their relationship. It is seen that the career wise they are very good, they are very goal oriented, they are very action oriented, they do anything they put a lot of hard work to get success in their career, and usually they get success in their career. Only it has been noticed being they have a lot of high energy in them, so sometimes they channelize their energy in the wrong direction. So it is suggested to them that they should take a proper guidance from someone, so that they are channelizing their energy in the right direction, so that they will be able to get more success in their life. Otherwise, career wise, these people see lot of success. To overcome the challenges and the problems in your life, start chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Try to wear more red color clothes. This will also help you out to overcome the challenges of your life. And if possible, then try to visit temple every Tuesday and donate some sweets to the needy. It will help you out to enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges of your life. Wednesday born people, they are the lucky one. It is seen that they have a high influence of Mercury planet in their life. Mercury, which is a beneficial planet, which is a planet of the wealth. They are very much fond of traveling and they are always keen to learn new things. Always they have a lot of questions about everything, and they are very intelligent and they have a good logical mind too. It is seen that they are very wealthy. Only the problem they face in their life is the ego clashes, and sometimes it is seen that they want everything to be very perfectly. Because of that also they face the problem in their life. Love relationship wise, Wednesday born people are lucky one. They see that their partner adjusts a lot with them, and their partner are very much emotionally connected to them because of their charming nature, because of their talkative nature. Health wise, they have to take care of their mental health, anxiety, depression, skin related problem, and the digestive issues. Career wise, they see a lot of success in their career, especially in the fields related to communication, speech, accountancy. They can become a good chartered accountant. They can be a blogger, they can be a traveling blogger also. So as much as if your career is related to the media and traveling, in that case you are going to get more success. Otherwise it is seen that the Wednesday born people get more success in the business as compared into the job. To enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges of your life, pray as much as you pray to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Durga. You are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. It is suggested that you should listen to Ganesh Atharvashish Path daily, and if possible then every Wednesday try to offer 5 laddus to Lord Ganesha. It will help you out to overcome the challenges and it will help you out to enhance. On Thursday are very lucky. They have a high influence of Jupiter planet in their life, and they are carrying the energy of the Jupiter, which is a planet, which is a beneficial planet, which is a planet of the luck, which is a planet of the expansion and overall success in the life. It has been seen that the people born on Thursday are very lucky to their family. It is seen after their birth, their family see lot of expansion, lot of growth, as they are very lucky member to their family. So Thursday born people are very intelligent. They are always keen to learn something new. They have a very good leadership quality, but sometimes it is seen that they have an ego problem. They have a dominating nature and they want things to be their way. It has been seen that they face problem in their relationship. Sometimes Thursday born people are cheated in their relationship, or some person may play around their trust. So trusting, for the people who are born on Thursday, you have to be very much conscious while trusting someone, because it has been seen that multiple times your trust will be break by the other person. So that part you need to be conscious. Otherwise Thursday born people are the lucky one. Love wise, love relationship wise, this born people are not so lucky. There they have to be conscious in their love relationship. Marriage wise, things will be improving, but in that way you have to improve your own nature also. You have to work a lot on your nature. Ego problem, dominating nature, this part you have to work. Otherwise it is seen that you have an average married life. Health wise, you may face a problem related to the digestive issues, depression, anxiety. Otherwise health wise also you are the lucky one. To overcome the challenges and to enhance the luck, try to offer water to sun daily and pray to Lord Vishnu. As much as you pray to Lord Vishnu, your life problem will be solved. On Friday are actually blessed by the universe. They have a high influence of the Venus planet in their life. Venus planet, which is a beneficial planet, which is a planet of the romance, luxury and the easy life. So it has been seen that the people who are born on Friday, they have an easy life as compared to the people born on the other days, because they have a high influence of the Venus. They are carrying a very positive energies from the past life. It has been noticed, but they have a problem, like they have an ego problem. Sometimes they take things for granted, due to which they face a problem, and the problem like overconfidence also. Sometimes they do things in the overconfidence, afterward they regret. That part they need to be taken care of, and they need to keep an eye on their expenses too. Love relationship wise, they have a very magnetic personality. People are very much attracted towards them. So it has been noticed that sometimes they come in relationship, multiple relationship, as people got easily attracted towards them. But the day when they fall in the true love, then they try to work on that love relationship and work with the integrity, give their 100% to their relationship, and they are very caring and sensitive to their loved one. They have a lot of self-love towards themselves as well as towards the one whom they are connected to. Health wise, they need to be conscious like problem like PCOD, thyroid, hormonal problem, and stomach and the skin related issues also. That part they need to be take care of. Career wise, they perform well in business as compared to the job, and it has been seen that they sometimes they face problem in focusing on their career. Otherwise, career wise also they are blessed one. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck, you have to pray more to Goddess Lakshmi. Try to do Aarti of Goddess Lakshmi daily. It will help you out to enhance your luck and to invite more prosperity, abundance, and overall. Saturday born people face a lot of struggles and the problems in their life. But it has been noticed once they move out from their birthplace, away from their birthplace, after 40 years, they get a lot of success in their life with their own hard work. But they need to be conscious with, and they need to avoid any type of addiction, and they should be conscious in their love relationship too. It has been seen that from their side, they become very serious in their love relationship, but they don't get that type of support and love from their partner. They are too practical from their side. They are very goal oriented. They are more career oriented. It has been noticed that people born on Saturday perform well in the business as compared to the job, as these people can't work under someone. It seems like that they don't have a bookish knowledge. They have a lot of knowledge and wisdom with their own experiences. They have learned a lot from their experiences and they perform very well. They are a very good entrepreneur. Health wise, they need to be conscious as their age will started increasing. Health wise, they may face a problem like body pain, accidents, minor accident. That part they need to be conscious. And love relationship, trusting someone blindly, they need to be conscious. To overcome the challenges and to enhance their luck, they should pray to Lord Hanuman more. Chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. It will help you out to overcome the problem and will help you out to enhance their luck. Sunday born people, they have a high influence of sun planet in their life, and they have all the qualities of the sun planet. Like they have a good leadership quality, good confidence, and they get name, fame, and success easily in their life as compared to the other people. It has been seen that they face health related problem. They need to take care of your health. They need to be cautious with their health. Love relationship wise, they fall in love. They fall in the true love with people. But it has been seen sometimes people take them for granted, or you need to be conscious while trusting someone in the love relationship. Health wise, you have to be more conscious because health wise these people face a lot of health related problem. Career wise, these people get a lot of success. It has been noticed that the people get more success in the life if they are into a business born on Sunday as compared to the job. They have a good leadership quality. They are very energetic and goal oriented, as well as they have a high visions in their life. They are ambitious too. So overall, they are the blessed one. Only the few things that you need to take care of is that try to take care of your family life. Try to avoid trusting someone easily, and try to more conscious health wise. Otherwise, you get name and fame and success easy in your life. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck, try to offer water to sun daily. Start waking up early in the morning without the mist, because for you it's very important to maintain your sun planet, because you're already carrying the positive energies from the past life. You're already carrying the positive sun energies from the past life. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your loved one. Still, you have any questions related to your life, you can ask me on the comment. I will be happy to answer it. Thank you and have a great day.